Today we'll talk about how can you enable dark mode on your Zello app. We'll go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your Zello app. So all you have to do, so you just go here above this sign, you click on it. When you just click on it, it's going to show for you here a list like this. So then all you have to do, you just click here on options here. When you just click here on options, it's going to take you to next step here. Then all you have to do now, so just click here on appearance. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, just come here to theme, click here in this sign. Then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then just click here on black. So then here it's going to change with you to dark mode like you see on your Zello app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribing.